certain angles are. That's why I need you to pay attention to me. Okay. So on this one, you're going to learn how to put angles together or separate angles. Okay. So if I was to have something that looks like this, let's just do a 90-degree angle just to be. Okay. Everybody knows that that's a 90-degree angle, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now I can separate just like I would if I had 90 pieces of candy, right? I can separate them. Okay. I can do the same thing with an angle. Now, if I had a 90-degree angle and I wanted to separate it here, okay, and let's say this was 45 and this was 45, okay, I would know that each one of those added up should equal what number? 90 degrees. Good. So that's really what we are doing in this lesson.
Just adding together and making it three?
Adding and separating. Okay.
But Miss Ryan, what if it's an odd number?
What do you mean?
Like what if it's a 150 angle?
If it's 150 angle and you separate it, then those whatever two pieces would have to equal up to 150, right?
75, yeah, 75.
It doesn't necessarily have to be in half. Okay, let's look at another one. I'll draw another one. I know you guys are copying that one. Okay, let's say I had this angle, right? I don't know how much that angle is, but somebody has separated it. And this is
25.
Can I tell? This is 47 and this is 60 degrees. Okay? How much is that angle? How do I find that out? I want to know how much this big angle right here is. Okay, Jimmy, how do I find that out?
You add the two degrees together.
60 plus 47 gives me 107. That means this big angle right here is 107 degrees.
Oh, that makes sense.
That's it.
Just adding pretty much. That's so easy.
Okay? That is easy when you have the two numbers, right? Okay, what about you copying this down, right? Sorry.
Oh, you're supposed to? Oh, yeah.
What don't you get? Don't look at Okay, I'm trying to listen to John Luca who has a question.
Like, if you're like, if you know if it's 60 degrees or like, if you know that it's 47.
No, somebody told me that this was 60 and this was 47, but I don't know how much the big angle is. So I'm just adding those two numbers together to find out how much the big angle is. Huh? Oh, maybe. All right, I gotta move on. All right, now let's say I had the dreaded circle that you guys don't seem to like very much.
That's our enemy.
Okay, so I have a circle. And I have
Oh no. Why? Circle.
I know they're not up to par. But how much to the circle? How many degrees is a circle, Tina? How many degrees is a circle?
The circle is
Isabel? 360. Stop playing. Hey, so each one of these numbers should equal up to. Okay, so that part's kind of easy, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're just adding numbers up. Now, what happens when you don't know? Okay, let me show you one more example before I take one of the numbers away. Okay, I have something that looks like this. And I've got, let's see here. Hard to make up numbers on the fly.
15 and 3.
How many degrees is a straight angle? A straight line. How many degrees is it? Canadian? 180. So 50 plus 80 plus 50 should equal 180, right? Which it does because it's really added it. Okay, so important to know how many degrees are at a circle, how many degrees are at a straight line. Okay, because you're going to have numbers taken away now. So let's say I have, this is a 90-degree angle, right?
Yeah.
And I have one angle that I know is 30 degrees and the other one I do not know. How do I find that out? Trinity.
By seeing what plus 30 would equal 90.
Okay, so 30 plus something equals 90. How do I solve that? Tina.
30 plus times it.
No.
Yes, if you do 30 times
Malia.
90 divided by 30.
Nope. Bailey.
30 plus 60.
Okay, how did you get 60 though? Robert?
You could do 90 minus 30.
Thank you. Take 90 and subtract 30. And I get 60.
I'm gonna say to 5, but then I'm like, no.
There's no dividing, no multiplying in this. Okay, let's try another one.
What's this?
Hold on, I'm thinking.
You're thinking.
Yeah, I have to do math in my head and it's hard for me because you guys are all watching me.
So then, close your eyes. She's working.
Okay, what's my missing angle?
Give us a whole chart angle.
Don't tell me the answer, tell me how to find it. Gianluca.
Oh, nice.
You add 120 plus 40.
Okay. So my missing angle is 160. Please stop talking. That tells me, Gianluca, what you just did tells me that this big angle right here is 160. But I need to find out what's here. Terry? Subtract what?
120 subtract 40.
No. Because that would just tell me what this angle is right here. Franco? Think about it. Damien?
You have 120. I mean 180.
Okay, my straight line is how many degrees?
180.
Okay.
And then subtract 120.
Okay, I can just go ahead and subtract 120, which gives me 60.
Then you subtract 40.
And I subtract the other angle, which gives me
20.
20. So x equals 20.
Really? That's cool.
And that is what we are doing today.
Yeah. What? That's really hard.
You
just did that one easy.
Well, okay. So Gianluca did half the problem. He did 120 plus 40 is 160. So really all I needed to do was take 180 minus 160 and I would have got the same. Yes, Malia. Your homework does not include protractors on this page.
I'm saying Let's do 1 to.
I haven't looked at your homework page. Is there a protractor? No.
Let's do 1 to 5 and 9.
Oh no, they're asking you to find the angle. I don't know. I'll decide. All right. So I want you guys to work on
1 through 5 and